Hello, my name is Kemi. Today I'll be talking to you about how to apply for your visitor's visa to the UK. Right, the first thing you need to know is before you apply to come to the UK as a visitor, you need to get your documents in place. I am going to be explaining to you the documents you need to get in place and how you qualify for this visitor's visa. You need before you apply for a visitor's visa, you need your passport. Your passport must be valid for 6 months upwards. If your passport is not valid for 6 months, you will not be granted visa, because you will need to show that your passport has 6 months validity. If it's not up to 6 months, I doubt if the UK embassy will grant you that visa. Secondly, you need to show that you have enough funds to sponsor yourself into the UK. When I mean by enough funds, I mean that you show that you have at least from £1,000 if you are applying as a single person in your account after you've actually run your account for like 6 months before you apply for your visa. So for example, if you are coming to UK you are coming to UK in the next 3 months, so that means by 6 months prior to that time of your application, you have a balancing figure of 1,000 plus in your account. 1,000 plus. It used to be 1,000 plus. So if you are applying from Nigeria, I mean 1 million naira. You have to have at least 1 million. That's like £2,000 upward, £2,500 in your account. Some people used to have like 500,000 naira, which is like almost £1,000 in their account. But with those kind of people, it's people that have already they already know you in the embassy. You have been applying before. It's not your first timer. You are a previous applicant. So they know that you have been applying to come to the UK. So with that, it shows you, it has a very big advantage for you, and you can apply. You need to show you need to show your accommodation where you'll be staying in the UK if you don't have families. That means you must have booked an hotel. I always advise, don't book bed and breakfast hotels, because the UK embassy will not accept those kind of bookings. What you need is an invitation letter. It is not compulsory that you need an invitation letter. If you have families and friends in the UK, you can ask them to give you an invitation letter. In that invitation letter, they need to they need to write that they are inviting you to come to the UK. They need to show how they are related to you and how long you'll be spending with them. If you are going to be staying in their house, they need to show how long you are going to be staying in their house for, and when you'll be returning to the UK. So with that, you have actually passed that point. It's not point based, it's just a normal distance. So you have actually passed that phase if you provide an invitation letter. And if you don't have an invitation letter, you just need to provide places that you'll be visiting in the UK. If you are going to be going to side places, you need to show that you have actually booked some tour buses that are going to be taking you around to London Bridge, to Buckingham Palace, and all those sites and all those tourist areas. You can show that as evidence by showing them documents of emails that you've emailed the company to book this tourist trip for you, and the confirmation that they booked the trips for you as well. And tickets, if you are paid for tickets for visiting all those tourist centers, you can show the ticket as well. You need to show your employment status. If you're self-employed, you need to show that your business is registered, you're paying tax. You need to show all those documents. How long your business has been trading for, you need to show all that evidence. And you need to show your business account. Once you show your business account, it doesn't mean that you are still good to go. You need to show your own personal account as well. When I mean by personal account, your business account only shows that you have something back home to tie you back. You have ties back home. So you cannot leave that one and come and live in the UK. It shows that you have ties. But if you need to also show your personal statement. That personal statement shows that you have actually saved money for you to use for your trip. So you cannot show your business account to show for your trip to the UK. It will not be counted. They will not count it. So what I mean, I always advise people, if you're coming to the UK as a self-employed, always make sure that whatever funds you are showing that is available for you to spend in the UK should be in your personal account. It shouldn't be in your business account. Your business account only shows how your business is running and what profits you're making. It shows that you have good ties back home and you're actually just coming to the UK to have a nice time, and you've provided your personal account which shows your amount that you've saved for your trip and incoming and expenses that be going out from your account. It shows all that, so it gives the immigration officer that is treating your application an edge to see that, oh yeah, this person is actually eligible to apply for a visitor's visa. For those that are employed in a company or a private firm or public firm, you need to show a letter of employment. So that means that your letter of employment that your company or wherever you are working has given you when you first got your job. You need to show your pay slips for 6 months. You need to show your leave letter. So if you're coming to the UK as a visitor, obviously you must have had a leave from your employer. So you need to show that you have a leave letter from your employer that knows that you're coming, and they know how, stating the date when your leave starts and when your leave ends, and they are also, they're aware of your trip to the UK. Right. And also you need to show your account, that your salary account, that your employer is paying you your salary. It needs to show. You don't just need to show your pay slip, you also need to show your account that your salary is being paid into you. And also you need to show your personal account or your savings. The personal account or your savings can also be considered in the sense that it shows whatever expenses that you have been, your incoming and outgoing, and your savings, and how you have actually planned for your trip financially as well. So if you don't have a personal account or savings account, you can still show your salary account and write a cover letter to state that that is the account you're using to run for your incomings and outgoings, and that you must have it at least a tangible balance figure at the end of the 6 months when you are printing out the statement, of at least from 500,000 to 1 million naira. If you are applying as a single person, if you are applying as a family, then you need more money there. I always advise, at least if you're applying as a family, you need at least 2 to 3 million naira in your account within that 6 months that you are providing your statement of account for. Go into the Home Office website to apply for your visa, because due to the pandemic, paper applications will no longer be in effect. So most of the applications will be treated online. So I encourage you guys to go online and apply for your visitor's visa. If you need any inquiry, just click on the link below or just leave your comment, and I'll be able to answer your questions as soon as I'm able to. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video has been very helpful. Leave your comment below, leave your questions below as well. I'll be able to respond as soon as I can. Thank you. I'll be doing my next video is going to be on the other categories of visitors visa, so watch out for it. Thank you.